Hi friends, at TimeOut we're learning a lot about sustainability and also to look after other living things around us. We've been making bird feeders for the birds to come and eat from. It's very simple. I hope you all enjoy this and can make one for yourself too. We've got some cylinder tube here and honey. So my friend here Bonnie will be adding some honey on the tube. There you go. Do you want to put some honey on the tube please? I'll hold that for you. Do you want me to hold it for you? There you go. What's going to happen with the honey, Bonnie? It's going to stick some food on it. Can you put it everywhere around? I'll move around for you. There you go. Do you want to dip some more? There you go. It's okay. We can clean it later. So as you see, Bonnie is applying some honey all over the cylinder tube so that we can then roll it on the bird seeds and make a nice bird feeder. There you go. You're doing an amazing job, Bonnie. You're doing very nice. What do you think the birds will do when they see this? Eat the food, yes. We're making it for them to come and eat some seeds. There we go. You're doing a good job. Would you like to put some here? Have a look. There we go. How is the honey? Can you tell me whether it's smooth or sticky or rough? What is it?
Sticky.
Sticky honey. And that's how it's going to help the seeds to stick on them, isn't it? There you go. Maybe some more, just a little bit more honey. Are you done? Okay. The honey part is done. Now, would get this bird tray here, the food. Would you like to carry this and roll it in? Oh, that's good, Bonnie. There you go. And we roll it on the bird food everywhere. Turn around. Well done. What a great idea. We rolling. And the food, there we go. Is it done? Do you want to bring it out here so that I can tie the string on it? You can help me too. You can put it down here. There you go. Can you put the string from here? Can you thread the string? Yeah. Put it through here, through the hole here. Maybe, yes. Yes. And I can get that from here. There we go. There we go, Bonnie. Let's stick this up now for the bird. There you go. We're going to tie it up in a knot so that we can hang it outside on the fence. There we go. We've got our bird feeders ready to go out in the garden so that the birds can come and feed. I hope you can make one at home for your garden too.